Good morning, children. Joyadas here. Today we will do a new chapter, mensuration. It is your in your book. It is chapter 10. Here, first of all, we have to work with perimeter. The word perimeter. What do you mean by perimeter? Perimeter. Perimeter is the distance covered along the boundary forming a closed figure when you go round the figure once. When you go round the figure once. Example, perimeter of a rectangle, say ABCD is a rectangle, ABCD is a rectangle. You have to find the perimeter of the rectangle. That means you have to go along the boundary A to B, B to C, C to D, D to A. Then this is the perimeter. How to find the perimeter of a rectangle? That means AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Length AB, you know that in a rectangle opposite sides are equal. That means AB is equal to DC and BC is equal to AD. So AB plus BC, I'm changing that AB plus BC instead of CD, as AB is equal to CD. So I'm writing here AB instead of CD, AB, and instead of AD I'm writing BC. Then see how many BC and how many ABs are there. 2AB plus 2BC, 2AB and 2BC. That means 2 of AB plus BC. AB is the breadth and BC is the length of a rectangle. Therefore, perimeter of a rectangle 2 into length plus breadth or breadth plus length, same thing. Length plus breadth, length plus breadth, unit, either meter or centimeter, whatever it is, it will be unit you have to write in mensuration chapter. Perimeter of a square. Perimeter of a square, PQRS. Take one square, PQRS, PQRS. You know that in a square all the sides are equal. So length of PQ, what is the perimeter of PQRS? PQ, length of PQ plus length of QR plus Q plus RS plus SR. So perimeter of the square PQRS is equal to PQ plus QR plus RS plus SP, or as all the sides are equal, we can write PQ plus PQ plus PQ plus PQ. That means how many PQ you can see here? 4 PQ, or in the formula we can write 4 into perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into side. Unit, meter, centimeter, whatever the unit will be given, you have to write the unit. Understood? Next. Now, perimeter of a regular shapes. Perimeter of any regular shapes. What do you mean by regular shapes? When all the sides are equal, when in any figure where all the sides are equal are known as regular shapes. Such as perimeter of a square. You know that all the sides of a square are equal. So perimeter of a square, where square has 4 sides. So 4 sides, all the sides are equal. So perimeter of a square 4 into side. This is the shortcut way to find the perimeter of a square. Perimeter of an equilateral triangle, you know that equilateral triangle means 3 sides and all the sides are equal. So it is a regular shapes, regular figure, regular shapes. So triangle 3 sides, all the sides are equal. So 3 into sides. Perimeter of a regular pentagon. What do you mean by pentagon? Pentagon means 5-sided closed figure, where and regular means all sides are equal. So pentagon means 5 into, as it is regular, so 5 into side because all the sides are equal. Its perimeter is 5 into side. Perimeter of a regular hexagon. Hexagon means 6-sided figure. So it has 6 sides. So 6 into sides. 6 into side. Perimeter of a regular octagon. Octagon means 8 sides. So 8 sides figure where all the sides are equal. To find the perimeter of an octagon is 8 into side. Understood? These are the shortcut way to find out the perimeter of any closed figure, closed regular shaped. For square, perimeter of a square, 4 into side. Perimeter of an equilateral triangle, 3 into side. Perimeter of a regular pentagon, 5 into side. Perimeter of a regular hexagon, 6 into side. Perimeter of a regular octagon, 8 into side. Understood? Now come to your exercise 10.1, where question number 1A, this kind of figure is given. You have to find the perimeter of each figure. You know that when you have to find the perimeter of each figure, what you will do? You have to add all the sides, length of all the sides. So 4 centimeter plus 5 centimeter plus 1 centimeter plus 2 centimeter, 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 2, 12 centimeter. So perimeter is equal to 12 centimeter. Next, the figure, all the sides are equal, so it is a rhombus. 15, 15, 15, 15. What you will do? You will add 15 4 times, or you can do 4 into, as all the sides are equal, it is a regular shape figure, so you can write 4 into 15 centimeter, that is 60 centimeter. Understood? Next, come to the next figure. Next figure is, it is a pentagon. Say count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and all the sides are equal in length, so it is a regular pentagon. You know the shortcut way to find the perimeter of a regular shape. So perimeter of this figure is equal to 5 into 4 centimeter, that is 20 centimeter. The perimeter is equal to 20 centimeter. Come to the next diagram. Do this only, whatever we are doing here, do this only, practice this also. Now it is an arrow. You can see the length of each side. It is 1 centimeter, it is 4 centimeter. This length of this side and this side is 0.5 centimeter, and this triangular shaped two sides are 2.5 centimeter. So what you have to do for finding the perimeter of this shape, perimeter, and you have to add all the length. Perimeter of this arrow, 1 plus 4, 1 plus 4 plus 0.5 plus 2.5 plus 2.5 plus 0.5, 1 plus 4 plus 0.5 plus 2.5 plus 2.5 plus 0.5 plus 4. Again we came in our starting point. 4 plus 4 centimeter. Now 1 plus 4 plus 4, 4 plus 4 plus 0.5 plus 0.5, 1, this plus this 1 plus 2.5 plus 2.5, 5 centimeter. 4 plus 4, 8, 9, 10, 10 plus 5, 15 centimeter. So the perimeter of this figure is equal to 15 centimeter. I hope all of you understood and enjoyed also. Now I hope all of you understood this maths, and interesting also. These all are very interesting. Try to understand and do whatever you have done in the class. Practice it also. Thank you, students.